Open the storage bag. Hold the bag's handles and take out the beauty bed. Unlock shackles. Unfold the bed. Spread the bed until it forms 180 degrees. Display the bed bottom, including the imported beach that made the bed, dual adjustable handles, the steel wire-made stay cord that supports the bed, and rubber feet. Remove the 2 adjusting knobs from a bed leg, adjust the height, and screw the knobs tight. Do the same to the other 3 bed legs. Note, you must ensure the height of the 4 bed legs is the same, otherwise, it may shake. Set up the bed properly. Take out the 2 armrests, align the holes, and insert them inside. Get the headrest, align the hole in front of the bed, and put it in. Dismount the handle from the headrest to adjust its height, put the handle back after adjustment. Demonstrate how to use the headrest in the front, lie on one's back, and lie prostrate. You can play with your cell phone. Demonstrate how to use the headrest located inside the bed and lie on one's back and stomach. Remove the 2 armrests and the headrest in the front. Put the bed sideways on the floor and fold up the bed legs. Fold the bed and lock the shackles.